So, I want you to imagine bending your knees, pushing off, arching your back high in the air, and diving with grace and joy into the most perfect landing spot. This home. I have found your perfect home. Welcome to 363 Woodmount Avenue. Incredible, renovated, open concept in every way. This house is done to the nines, to the 9th degree, to 9.9, everything. Floors, hardwood, wood burning fireplace. Oh, you heard that right. Quartz counters. Follow me here. Windows, all new, all done just a few years ago, as everything else is in the house. Sandstone sills. That is hard to say, but also incredible because what it means is it keeps your windows and your brick all well preserved. I can make gourmet pizza here and talk to you while I'm doing it, and then serve it to you, and then sit by the fire afterwards and have a drink with you. I think I might do it. How about that? A little organization for you? I would like this a lot. Come, dine with me under the moonlight. Smart, listen to this. She built this wall here so that when you're dining, the bathroom's on the other side of it. Smart. I'm in the primary. It's very lovely, quite grand, and built-ins everywhere. Second bedroom, main floor. Could be an office, could be an extra bed. Walk out to the, oh, I'm not even gonna tell you. You don't get to go there yet. We'll go there after. Oh, I'm in here. Wait till you see this gorgeous bathroom. Slate floor, gorgeous shower, incredible feature here to keep you warm, and the medicine cabinet, cool as hell. I was gonna say something else, but I said hell. I'm going to the basement. It has a separate entrance here. Not sure if that gives you any ideas. Welcome to the basement, with just as much attention to detail in every single way as there is upstairs. Beautifully done kitchen, cabinets, storage everywhere, lovely bright window. You can cook, eat, clean, and serve in this area. Cold room, utility room. Come with me in here. When's the last time you saw a dog shower in the house you were buying? That is correct. You may notice just outside this cozy room is a fireplace, a beautiful electric fireplace that comes with the house. Cozy, cottagey, lots of storage. Window. Huge. Window. Beautiful floor, storage, space. Beautiful renovated downstairs 4-piece bathroom. Private drive. Welcome, the pièce de la résistance. You will not believe what you're gonna see. You will not believe it. Just get in here and you're gonna see. Yes, it is a garage, but it is now anything you want it to be. Watching TV, workshop. Yeah, you don't get the tools. Sorry, they're going, but you can do whatever you want in here. There is a fridge that stays. There is a TV that stays. This backyard is super magic. There is so many things to do back here. It's like having a cottage in the city. So not only do you have the house and the garage, workspace, you also have this backyard to eat in, to have a fire in, to laze about in, to do cartwheels. It's incredible back here. This incredible space in the city is yours if you buy this house.